We go for a walk again.
The breeze.
That's a good idea. Special effects. Beaver! Is it an actual beaver?
Yeah.
Do you think it is a beaver?
It is.
But has it got the flat tail though?
Oh, then it's the rat thing. It's a rat.
No, it's not a rat. It's way too big.
It's the rat thing we saw.
It's the island things, yeah.
What are that? What's
I don't know what that is. I've never seen that. Get the rat. Oh, yeah, dog. Why would you do that? Oh. This is obviously where all the edgy people come. Wow. Hang on, I need to capture this perilous journey. Look how far we cut. Wow, look where we are. There's literally. Oh my days. That's a train track. No. That looks like a train maintenance bridge. You're shitting me. We gotta go all the way back.
No.
Shit.
Oh my god. See how big that is?
Hi, babe.
It's snowing.
You can film. Just try the Hackett energy drink. Is that my change? This one? You need the toilet, right? Today we're going to try anonymous Hackett energy drink. Space energy. Let's see what it's saying. Oh, it's going to taste like ass. No. No, it didn't even open.
No way.
Fuck. Look.
Oh,
No.
wow.
No.
It's your lucky day. Oh.
It's actually good.
Really?
Yeah, it just tastes like any other drink. Try it. It doesn't even taste like it's gonna give me energy.
Tastes good.
It's good,
hey.
right? Only $28.50.
It's actually quite nice.
It's a good drink, right?
Sponsor us.
Sponsor us. Anonymous, please. It's a good drink. Should we check the Christmas tree? Do you want to?
One?
Me? One for me? You would do that for me.
Of course.
Especially.
For you.
Oh, it's so pretty. It's really nice.
Lazarská, příští zastávka Bodičkova.
Today we're in Prague Free. We're eating unknown pastries. Do a taste. Whiz.
No idea.
It's always a good sign. I need to cleanse the palate first. Yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
It's good.
You're infected.
The area looks so different, right?
Nom 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 nom.
I don't know which one I like more. They're both good though.
Yeah.
You're gonna have the black poo. Oh, the poo's
Nah.
black.
Shut up. That's very appetizing.
Tasty, tasty. Hang on, I'm gonna make a good one. Oh, I gotta try. That's what you get.